Hello everyone, welcome back my YouTube channel Salesforce Hunt. This is Rohit and today I'm going to discuss about the path in Salesforce. So if you want to learn this topic, so you can watch this video until end and subscribe this channel so you never will miss any kind of update from my side. So let's get started. So what is path in Salesforce? So Salesforce path is a visualization, a record progress through a progress in value key fields and guidance should be complete for each stage. Path is a lightning component that can be placed on the opportunity lead, campaign, or any custom object. And when to use path? Salesforce path guides user through a series of stages and the expected action for each stages. So how we can use and how we can leverage this feature in Salesforce? So here I will tell you the from scratch to advanced each and every steps here. So first of all, you have to create any object as you have, or you can use the standard object. It's up to you, but right now I have created this user story object, right? And path always work with the pick list value. So under this object we have this field and field name is status. Under this field we have some value regarding the deployment, like defining details, waiting for dev, in development, in functional tests, in UAT, and waiting to deploy. So these all values inside this field, you have to remember it. Otherwise you can create your own as well, don't worry. Okay, so this is the field, and after that you have to enable one setting before using this path in Salesforce. So just click on the gear icon and open the setup. Under the setup you have to search, that is path setting, like PATH, path setting. So just click on this path setting here, and once you clicked on this path setting you can just enable that setting here. So I already enabled it, or first time you will be see like a toggle button, you have to enable it. After enable it, now you can see the new path. So just click on this new path, and once you clicked on new path you can see some process, and this is the step like name and record type, field and text, and finish. There are some wizard, right? So you can give here any name as you want. Let's say anything, let's say deployment. Okay, it's a deployment, like deployment. So path name deployment, choose the object. If you have like lots of object, all the object listed here, so I'm using my user object, so that is user story object. Immediately record type is a master automatic selected by. If you have the number of record types, you can select it. By default it's selected by master here, and it's automatic selected the pick list value. If you have like a number of pick list, or more than one pick list, so that pick list will be appearing here, right? Right now I have only one pick list, that's why you can say status is by default as a pick list here, right? So now once you select each and everything here, this is a step one. Now just you have to click on the next. In the next step you have to define each and every stages. So here you can see the defining details, waiting for dev, each and every value inside that pick list we already discussed, right? So each state you can update your add your fields or update the fields, or you can give the some guidance here as well, right? So let's say this is okay, so this is defining details, something like that. Okay, you can give any definition or description of each and every stages as a meaningful. It's up to you, but for now I'm not giving any description. So now just you have to click on the next. Once you clicked on the next, now you can see two options here. Please focus on this one. So first is activate your path. Yes, always activate your path. After that you can see like enable celebration. So here when you reach the specific step, you can see the some celebration like confetti, right? So just you have to enable it, and which value you want to make the celebration. So I can make the waiting to deploy. This is the last value of the pick list, and that is the last value of the stage. That's why I'm choosing this one. After that you can see the celebration frequency, rarely, sometimes, often, or always. I'm going to select this always, and once you select it, now just you have to click on this finish button. So let me click on this finish, and once you clicked on this finish, now your path is ready to use. And when we use this path in Salesforce, just you have to open any record page of this object, we have user story object, and we have to drag and drop that path from the lightning app builder page. So how we can do that? Just let me open the object record. So in the app launcher, just search user story. Now you can see the my object here, user story. Just click on this one, and whenever you see these things, let's say user story, right, and I have one record, you can create a number of record based on your need. So let me open this record like a demo, and this is the pick list value. Here you can see, like just click on this one. Now defining details, waiting for dev, in development, everything you can see, right? So let me drag and drop that particular path inside this record page. So just click on this gear icon, edit this page, and once you clicked on this edit on page, now you will be see this lightning app builder page, that is visual editor. And this visual editor, you can drag and drop any standard, custom, or managed package from the you know component sites. So just in the standard one, you have to search like a path. So in the standard, you can see the path, just drag and drop here in the top. So this is the visualization of the value. So immediately you can see the path is having some value, right? Like format, you can see the linear or non-linear. Non-linear, you cannot see any green one, but linear, you can see the green and blue color. Just the different. If you want to hide this button, that is mark status as complete, you can just check this, and immediately that button automatic hide from this lightning app builder page. So just uncheck this because I need this button, so that's why I'm not going to check this checkbox. That's why. Okay, so once you select these things, now you have to click on the save, and after save, you have to activate your page based on your lightning app or default, or based on your tab. So right now I'm going to assign this page, assign as a org default, and this is the form factor. Just let me select this desktop as a form factor. After that, you have to click on save button, and once you save it, just you have to go back from here, and once you go back, now you can test your functionality. So how we can test it? So just open the record, and immediately you can see in the lightning record page, that is a visualization like waiting for dev. Right now we have the status waiting for dev, right? That's why you can see the blue, and this is already done, is this green, right? Also, you can change the value from here or here, it's up to you, but let me click on here, like in UAT, mark as a current status, like this. And once you clicked on mark as a current status, every step is completed successfully. Here you can see in UAT, and also the pick list value also we changed like in UAT, right? And we already configure something, that is celebration, that is related to the confetti. So how we can use it? Just click on this waiting to deploy, because this is the last value of this pick list value. So just you have to select this one, mark as a current stage, and after that you can see some celebration. Definitely you can see some celebration is coming like as here, right? So this is a celebration. Again, I will tell you, let me click on any stage, as we have like in development, mark as a complete here, and let me click on this waiting to deploy, and immediately you will be see the celebration. Just click on this mark as current status, and after that you can see the celebration here. So this is the celebration, and this is how you can implement the path. And once you mouse over on each and every stage, you can see the value of the pick list here, right? I disable this button because I don't want to update or update any field value. That's why you cannot see this here. So if you want to enable it, just in the path setting, you have to do one thing. Just click on this edit, and under the edit, you have to do here in the add or update fields, just click on the next, and here you have to add your fields, let's say currency or user story name. So I can use this user story and drag and drop here. Click on the save and click next and finish. So after that, once you finish it, immediately you will see that value in this button. Just let me refresh this record here, and once you refresh it, now you will be see the value here. So just let me click on this one, like first stage we already configured, that's why you can see this is enabled, and click on this one. Immediately you can see the demo. You can change the demo, let's say demo 1 2 3, something like that. Click on the save, and immediately all the value change, and is a defining stage, mark as a this is stage here. Immediately you can see each and every stages, right? So right now the status is defining stage. Let me click on the waiting to deploy and mark as a complete. Immediately you can see the celebration here, right? This thing. Okay, so guys, I hope you learned something new in this video. If you feel like this is the very more informative for us, so please like, share, comment, subscribe the channel, turn on the bell icon for more updates so you never will miss any kind of update from my side. So till then, bye bye, take care, see ya. Thank you for watching guys. Bye bye.